CNBC Africa reporter Jimmy Molutsi caught up with Cas Coovadia, who's the managing director of the Banking Association of South Africa earlier today, and asked him about his view on the most recent cabinet reshuffle.
I think the sudden removal of the Minister of Finance is concerning. President Zuma, in making the announcement, indicated that Minister Nene has done a good job. So if you've done a good job, then let you carry on doing a good job. So it is a bit perplexing. We don't know what the reasons are, and I'm not too concerned about that. What I am concerned about is that the Minister of Finance is the most senior cabinet minister. Okay? We have an economy that's barely growing. We've just been downgraded by one rating agency. Both rating agencies now have us just one notch above junk status. Okay? And they've raised a whole lot of issues, state-owned enterprises, the budget deficit, government expenditure, as the reasons for this. We have state-owned enterprises that are not working very well. We have the budget deficit. Now, Minister Nene was working on all of those. He had told SAA what they should be doing with the Airbus deal so that it's good for SAA and for the country. He was beginning to take an interest in what's happening at the SABC. He was saying that government expenditure needs to be disciplined and controlled, and we need to use our money wisely, cut down on corruption and all of those sorts of stuff. Now, he was doing all the right things under very difficult circumstances. And all of that, both rating agencies, the one positive thing they had to say was that Treasury is on top of the issues, and that's why they didn't reduce us to junk status. Okay? Now, in this context, to then remove the minister and then to replace him with somebody who's firstly not known to the markets, not known to the business sector, and just from what I read in the papers, his resume says he has absolutely no experience in finance, is extremely concerning. And it sends out a message of a lack of confidence, uncertainty. And so we would urge the new minister to very, very quickly indicate that he is going to stay on the same path that Nene was, same policy trajectory, same priorities, and actually keep on implementing those priorities and those actions so that we send a message to investors that there is going to be continuity, and we are looking seriously at creating an environment for investment. Because if we don't do that, the economy doesn't grow, and we've got to have inclusive growth that takes care of unemployment, poverty, and inequality. We would all agree with that. But these sorts of moves, these sorts of sudden moves in critical ministries don't send out the right messages.
That was Cas Coovadia, who's the managing director of the Banking Association of South Africa.